Did you know that Matera, a city in Italy's Basilicata region, is believed to be the world's third longest continuously inhabited human settlement? Nestled in the southern part of Italy, this enchanting city holds a charm that has stood the test of time. Matera, often referred to as the subterranean city, is an embodiment of human resilience and architectural innovation. Its story is a testament to the enduring spirit of mankind, from humble cave dwellings to its current status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Famous for its unique cave houses, or Sassi, Matera offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and scenic beauty. The cityscape, dominated by the Sassi di Matera, is a sight to behold. From its enticing local cuisine to the serene Parco della Murgia Materana, Matera invites you on a journey through time. Now let's dive into the mesmerizing beauty and rich history of this intriguing city. One of the most iconic sites in Matera is the Sassi di Matera, ancient cave dwellings that transport you back in time. This remarkable labyrinth of cave homes carved into the hilly landscape is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. The Sassi, as they're affectionately known, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases a unique blend of culture and architecture, unlike anything else in the world. The Sassi di Matera is divided into two distinct districts, Sasso Barisano and Sasso Caveoso. Both offer a glimpse into the past with their maze-like streets, ancient cave churches, and homes that were once lived in by the city's inhabitants. These cave dwellings, some of which date back to prehistoric times, were carved out of the calcareous rock, providing a natural and sustainable living environment for the people of Matera. These homes might seem primitive by today's standards, but they were actually quite sophisticated, with many featuring intricate layouts and even underground cisterns for collecting rainwater. The inhabitants of the Sassi lived in close-knit communities, their lives intertwined in ways that fostered a deep sense of connection and community spirit. Today, the Sassi di Matera is far from a forgotten relic. Many of these ancient dwellings have been transformed into chic boutique hotels, charming restaurants, and artisan shops, offering a modern twist on cave living. Yet, despite these contemporary touches, the Sassi retains its historic charm, with preservation efforts ensuring that the architectural integrity and historic authenticity of these dwellings are maintained. But the Sassi di Matera isn't just about the buildings, it's also about the people who once lived here, their stories etched into the very stones that form these dwellings. As you wander through the winding alleyways, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe and admiration for the generations of people who have called this place home. Exploring the Sassi di Matera is like stepping into a time machine, a true testament to Matera's rich and enduring history. A visit to the Sassi di Matera is more than just a tour. It's an immersive journey through time that offers a unique insight into the city's past, its people, and its enduring spirit. A trip to Italy would be incomplete without indulging in its culinary delights, and Matera is no exception. Imagine a city where the food is as rich and layered as its history. That's Matera for you. From the rustic charm of its cave dwellings to the sophistication of its cuisine, Matera offers a sensory feast that is hard to forget. In Matera, food is more than just sustenance. It's a reflection of the city's cultural heritage, a nod to its agricultural roots, and a testament to the ingenuity of its people. The city's cuisine is characterized by a beautiful blend of simplicity and sophistication, with a strong emphasis on locally sourced ingredients and traditional cooking methods. Take, for example, the city's famous bread, pane di Matera. Made from durum wheat and baked in wood-fired ovens, this bread is known for its unique shape and distinct flavor, making it a staple in every Materan household. Then there's the orecchiette, a type of pasta that translates to little ears. Often served with a robust tomato sauce or sautéed greens, this dish is a true testament to Matera's rustic charm. And let's not forget about the city's love for cheese. Whether it's the creamy burrata or the tangy pecorino, cheese is a staple in Materan cuisine, often served with a drizzle of local olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. When it comes to dining in Matera, there's a plethora of options to choose from. For an authentic Materan experience, consider dining at one of the city's cave restaurants, such as Ristorante Il Terrazino, where you can indulge in traditional dishes while enjoying the unique ambiance of a restored cave dwelling, Or, for a more contemporary dining experience, head over to Osteria Pico, known for its innovative approach to regional cuisine. So whether you're a foodie looking for your next culinary adventure, or a traveler wanting to immerse yourself in local culture, Matera's food scene has something to offer. From its traditional dishes to its innovative restaurants, this city presents a culinary landscape that is as diverse and captivating as its storied past. With its unique flavors and traditional dishes, Matera offers a culinary journey that complements its historical charm. Beyond its urban charm, Matera also offers natural wonders like the Parco della Murgia Materana, an expansive natural park that stretches across the Italian landscape. It's a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The park is home to an array of flora and fauna that bring the landscape to life. As you wander its paths, you'll encounter wild orchids blooming in vibrant hues, and if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of the rare lesser kestrel soaring above. But the Parco della Murgia Materana is more than just a natural paradise. It's a place where history and nature intertwine. Scattered throughout the park, you'll find over 150 rock churches, remnants of a time long past. These ancient sanctuaries, carved into the very stone of the landscape, provide a unique glimpse into Matera's rich history. Each one is a testament to the skill and devotion of the artisans who crafted them, their work still standing centuries later. The park also offers a range of activities for the more adventurous. Hiking trails wind their way through the park, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. For the more daring, there are rock climbing routes that will test your skills and nerve. And for those who prefer a slower pace, there are picnic areas where you can simply sit back, relax, and soak in the beauty of the park. Parco della Murgia Materana is not just a park, but a journey through time, a celebration of nature, and an adventure waiting to happen. It's a place that invites you to explore, to discover, and to fall in love with. It's a place where you can leave the hustle and bustle of city life behind, if only for a while, and lose yourself in the tranquility of nature. The Parco della Murgia Materana is a testament to Matera's diverse appeal, combining history, nature, and adventure in one package. It's a place that offers something for everyone, from the history buff to the nature lover to the thrill seeker. And it's just another reason why Matera should be on your bucket list. From its ancient dwellings to its tantalizing cuisine and captivating natural attractions, Matera has something to offer every traveler. We've traversed the labyrinthine streets of the Sassi di Matera, where history seeps from every stone and whispers tales of a time gone by. We've savored the robust flavors of the local cuisine, each bite a culinary masterpiece that speaks volumes about the rich culture of this city. We've wandered through the verdant expanse of the Parco della Murgia Materana, a testament to the city's breathtaking natural beauty. Matera, with its blend of the old and the new, its fusion of history and modernity, is a city that never ceases to inspire. It's a city where every corner holds a story, every view a picture-perfect landscape. This is Matera, a gem in the heart of Italy's Basilicata region. Discover the enchanting city of Matera for yourself, a journey that promises to be as enriching as it is unforgettable.